Have you ever wondered why we dedicate an entire month to women's history? Today, you will learn about its powerful origins and improve your English listening skills. Hello and welcome. This is an English story for B1 intermediate learners. We will speak in slow and clear English so you can understand everything. Today, we are exploring the impactful history of Women's History Month and its inspiring 2026 theme. Our video is divided into a few parts. First, you will hear the complete story in English. Then, we will review the story with both English and Spanish text on the screen. After that, we will learn some key vocabulary and a useful expression. Finally, we will test your understanding with some questions. Are you ready? Let's begin. The story of Women's History Month begins not as a month, but as a single day, International Women's Day on March 8. For many years, this was the main day for recognizing women's contributions. However, in the 1970s, a new idea started to grow. In 1978, a small town in Sonoma, California, decided that one day was not enough. A local group, the Education Task Force of the Sonoma County Commission on the Status of Women, started a Women's History Week celebration. This grassroots movement was a spark. They chose the week of March 8 to connect with International Women's Day. The community loved it. There were parades, school presentations, and special events celebrating the often overlooked stories of women. The success in Sonoma inspired others. Women's groups and historians saw the potential and wanted to make it a national event. They worked hard, lobbying politicians and raising awareness across the country. Their efforts paid off. In 1980, President Jimmy Carter issued the first presidential proclamation declaring the week of March 8 as National Women's History Week. He said that the achievements and leadership of women were a vital part of the nation's history. But the journey wasn't over. By 1986, 14 states had already declared March as Women's History Month. This momentum led to a final push. In 1987, the U.S. Congress passed a law officially designating the entire month of March as Women's History Month. The impact of this month has been profound. Before, history books often focused only on the stories of men. Women's History Month pushed schools, museums, and the media to search for and share the stories of hidden figures, women whose contributions were ignored or forgotten. It created a cultural shift. Suddenly, people were learning about female scientists, artists, leaders, and activists who had shaped the world. This representation is incredibly important. It shows young girls and boys that women have always been innovators and leaders, paving the way for future generations. It helps to correct the historical record and gives us a more complete and accurate understanding of our past. Each year, Women's History Month has a special theme to focus the celebration. The theme for 2026 is particularly inspiring: Women Forging the Future, Innovation and Inclusion. This theme looks forward. Forging the future means actively building and creating what comes next. Innovation highlights women in science, technology, engineering, and the arts who are developing new ideas and solutions. And inclusion reminds us of the importance of making sure that women from all backgrounds, every race, ability, and identity, have a voice and an opportunity to lead. It's a powerful call to action for progress and equality. Let's imagine three trailblazers who embody this 2026 theme. First, Dr. Lena Petrova, an innovator in biotechnology. She leads a team developing affordable water purification systems for remote villages, a true example of innovation for humanity. Second, Maria Garcia, a champion of inclusion. She founded a non-profit that provides coding bootcamps for women from low-income communities, ensuring they are part of the tech future. Finally, Aisha Khan, who is forging the future. As a young entrepreneur, she created an AI-powered app that connects female mentors with young professionals, building a global network of support. These women, though fictional, represent the real-life heroes who are building a better, more inclusive world every day. The story begins not as a month, but as a single day. In 1978, a town in California started a Women's History Week. La historia comienza no como un mes, sino como un solo día. En 1978, un pueblo en California inició una Semana de la Historia de la Mujer. In 1980, President Carter declared a National Women's History Week. In 1987, Congress designated March as Women's History Month. En 1980, el presidente Carter declaró una Semana Nacional de la Historia de la Mujer. En 1987, el Congreso designó marzo como el mes de la historia de la mujer. It pushed schools to share the stories of hidden figures. It helps create a more accurate understanding of our past. Impulsó a las escuelas a compartir las historias de figuras ocultas. Ayuda a crear una comprensión más precisa de nuestro pasado. The 2026 theme is Women Forging the Future, Innovation and Inclusion. Inclusion means ensuring all women have a voice. El tema de 2026 es Mujeres forjando el futuro, innovación e inclusión. Inclusión significa asegurar que todas las mujeres tengan voz. Trailblazers embody this theme. They represent real-life heroes building a better world. Las pioneras encarnan este tema. Representan a héroes de la vida real que construyen un mundo mejor. Now, let's learn some key vocabulary. Our first word is grassroots. A grassroots movement is one that is started by ordinary people in a community, not by leaders or politicians. For example, the campaign to save the local park was a grassroots effort. Next, profound. Profound means very great or intense. It describes a very strong feeling, effect, or quality. For example, the book had a profound impact on my thinking. Our third word is forging. The verb to forge means to create something strong and successful. It's often used for relationships or new paths. For example, the two companies forged a strong partnership. In our story, it means creating the future. Finally, trailblazer. A trailblazer is a person who is the first to do something, an innovator who shows others the way. For example, Marie Curie was a trailblazer in the field of physics. Today's useful expression is, to pave the way for. This phrase means to make it easier for something to happen or for someone to do something in the future. In the story, we said that celebrating women's history helps pave the way for future generations. Another example is, the invention of the Internet paved the way for new forms of communication. Great job! Now it's time to check your understanding. Question 1. Where did the idea for a Women's History Week first start? The idea first started in Sonoma, California, in 1978. Question 2. In what year did the U.S. Congress officially designate March as Women's History Month? The U.S. Congress officially designated March as Women's History Month in 1987. And question 3, what are the two key ideas in the 2026 theme for Women's History Month? The two key ideas are innovation and inclusion. Question: where did the idea for a Women's History Week first start? P. ¿Dónde comenzó la idea de una Semana de la Historia de la Mujer? A. The idea first started in Sonoma, California. R. La idea comenzó en Sonoma, California. Question: in what year did Congress designate March as Women's History Month? P. ¿En qué año designó el Congreso a marzo como el mes de la historia de la mujer? A. In 1987. R. En 1987. Question: what are the two key ideas in the 2026 theme? P. ¿Cuáles son las dos ideas clave del tema de 2026? A. The two key ideas are innovation and inclusion. R. Las dos ideas clave son innovación e inclusión. You have done an amazing job today. Learning about history helps us build a better future. Now it's your turn. In the comments below, tell us about an inspiring woman from your country. We would love to read your stories. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more English stories. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.